Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Beautylish 2021 Lucky Bag. This is my first year ordering the Lucky Bag, and of course the first time I'll be doing a video unboxing it with you guys. I binge watched last year's Lucky Bag videos, the year prior, and anything I could find from the year even prior to that. So I have I think an informed idea of some of the types of products I'll be getting in my Lucky Bag, but I'd still like to make some guesses as part of the fun. So I think what I'll find in here is something from Good Molecules. It is Beautylish's own skincare brand, so I would imagine they would include something from Good Molecules in the Lucky Bags. I also think there will be a brush. I don't know from who exactly, but a brush would be cool, so that would be my guess. There will probably be some kind of makeup that was released for the holidays that they're going to include in the Lucky Bags, or at least some versions of it. And finally, this is going to be a stretch, but I'll throw it out there anyways, is maybe there's a candle in here. That would be really nice. I know that's not makeup, but a candle would be nice. It is a stretch. We'll see. We'll see. For those of you who are not familiar with Beautylish's Lucky Bag, they are released annually and a couple of days before the new year. So this 2021 Lucky Bag was on sale December 26th, and then they don't ship it out till the middle of January. That seems to be the case in the past years. The Lucky Bags are available in different sizes. There is the Lucky Bag Original, which retails for $75, and you're guaranteed to have $150 worth of product. And there's also the Lucky Bag XL, which retails for $150 US, and you're guaranteed to get $300 plus of value. So I managed to get a XL Lucky Bag. Those seem to just sell out in like a jiffy. I remember being on there trying to add the Lucky Bag XL and was just basically stuck on a screen that said, you can't add this item, something. And I was there like 2 minutes after it launched, and I ran into some tech issues. I emailed Beautylish within the 5 minutes and just said, hey, do you know what's going on here? Because I can't even add this to my bag. So customer support was able to help me. I guess somebody canceled, and they were able to help place the order for me after I reached out to them. I know a lot of people have issues getting the Lucky Bags, especially XL. So yeah, I think it's a real crapshoot. Anything else could have happened, and maybe my ticket was further down the queue and support couldn't help me. Anyways, it's just a crapshoot. I'm just happy that I got it. So thank you to the fantastic customer service. But I'm not banking on being able to get this next year. You just never know. So we'll get right into it here. I have not peeked into the box. I did open, the flap here, so to save us some time, but I have not looked in. So we're gonna do this together. So you get this beautiful wrapping sleeve, and the artwork every year changes with the Lucky Bag. The tag here does say and explains what the Lucky Bag is. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character Akatsuki on this year's Lucky Bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. Well, let's get to it. I'm very excited. I thought the box would be bigger, considering this is the XL size. However, it is fairly deep. And typically when I order from Beautylish, the boxes are about maybe half this height or like 2/3. So this is possibly even double that. Yeah, let's see what the goodies are inside. Oh, it seems like there are several items packed into here, and there's like one item at the bottom. Okay, I'll do this one first. Oh, I've got a Units, I guess, cleared makeup bag. Okay. This would be useful when I go traveling. This is probably bigger than anything I have and would be open to using. So I could definitely make use of this. Okay, looks like the rest, everything else is packed into here. So the first item I have here is the R&Co Waterfall Moisture Plus Shine Lotion. I wonder how this compares with Olaplex's styling cream, which I love. So this might actually go into a giveaway since I have quite a bit of the styling cream from Olaplex that's just sitting in a shelf right now. So this might be going towards the next giveaway. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, we have a Charlotte Tilbury luxury palette of pops. Now, I actually have a luxury palette of pops. I wonder, Dazzling Diamonds. I think I have this one. I think I have this one. Let's see. Yes, I have this. Well, this will be going into a giveaway for sure. So the Dazzling Diamonds color story is beautiful. I am a little bit sensitive to it, I think because of all the glitter and shimmers, but I absolutely love the look that I created from this palette. I already have it, so this will be going in a giveaway. And the next item is a, skincare product from Suzanne Kaufman. It's a hyaluron serum. And it is a highly concentrated, purely plant-based hyaluron serum, supports the skin's ability to retain moisture. The perfectly balanced molecular structure of the hyaluronic acids ensure that a maximum amount of moisture is absorbed on the surface as well as deep within the tissues. Lines and wrinkles seem visibly reduced, skin feeling tangibly firmer and intensively hydrated. Okay, I won't read through the whole thing, but I've heard good things about Suzanne Kaufman's products, so I am excited to give this a try. Oh, there it is. Good Molecules. This is their pineapple exfoliating powder, formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. So I actually use U Beauty's resurfacing compound. So I don't use another exfoliator because that is my exfoliator. I think this might either go towards a giveaway or I'll see if, you know, a friend in town might have use for this powder. So far we've looked at 5 products and I think there's about 5 more to go. Okay. Oh my goodness, the coincidence. I've got a face roller. You guys, if you've been following me on Instagram, I had just bought a jade roller like 3 weeks ago. So this is a crystal roller. Now, I don't mind having a backup because I put mine in the freezer. Except in the evenings after I use it, sometimes I'm too tired to like make it back to the kitchen to put it in the freezer. So having a second one, I'm not opposed to. I think I'm gonna keep that one. Okay. All right. This is a Wayne Goss lip pencil, and this is in the shade Cinnamon, which I don't have. I have 3 of his lip pencils. Natural Berry. Oh, I forgot the other 2, but Cinnamon is something I don't have, so I'll definitely be keeping this. This would be very handy for any red lip looks. Okay, I'm down to 2 products. Next, this is from Jouer. This is Jouer's Powder Highlighter Skinny Dip. Okay. I actually don't have any Jouer highlighters. So this is going to be interesting. Ooh, that looks like a shade that I don't have for a highlighter. And yeah, I haven't tried their highlighters before, so I'm gonna give this a go. It looks pretty and possibly really great for summertime. Okay, so I already got a look at the last one here, the last item. It is a Sonia G brush. This is the Worker Pro. Nice. I actually already have a Worker Pro. Let me see if I can find her. This is my Worker Pro from her Pro Eye Set. I do not mind at all having a duplicate of any of Sonia G's brushes because unless you go through, or unless I go through and clean it after every time I use it, sometimes it's just hard to pick that brush up and use it for a different look. So having a second or a third, good deal, good deal. I am pretty happy about that. So what were my guesses in the beginning? I guess I would get something from Good Molecules, and I did. And I guess I would get some kind of holiday makeup or makeup release for the holidays. Haha, I did. And then I guessed a brush, or I was hoping for a brush, and I got a brush. Pretty happy about that. I guessed a candle, which I thought was like a bit of a stretch, and you know, I didn't get a candle, so that's okay. I am pretty excited about this roller here. I have a jade roller. It looks exactly the same, but except it's jade rather than the crystal. What is the stone that they used? It is a genuine semi-precious crystal facial roller, except I think there's a name for this kind of stone, right? But they didn't really, oh, it's quartz crystal, rose quartz crystal. Got it. I love my jade roller. It has really increased the efficacy of my products because it just kind of sinks into the skin and it spreads really, really well. I will do a video of my review on that roller. It's excellent. I love it. Yeah, pretty excited to have either a backup or something I can just, you know, have in the fridge for those days where I didn't manage to clean and put my jade roller back in time for the next use. So now I'm going to go back to Beautylish's website to tally all the products up and give you guys a total. So this makeup bag, I believe it's the larger of the two available, and the value is $12. The Jouer powder highlighter retails for $25. Then the Charlotte Tilbury luxury palette of Pomps retails for $53. The Suzanne Kaufman Hyaluron Serum retails for $169. So this is definitely the big ticket item. And the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder retails for $16. And this R & Co Moisture Plus Shine Lotion, this is the smaller size of the two, 50 milliliters versus the bigger size, which is 147. Smaller one retails for $16. The Kitsch Face Roller retails for $32. Sonia G's Worker Pro Brush, a single, retails for $30. And the Wayne Goss Lip Pencil retails for $14. The total value of all of the products added together based on their suggested retail price is, which exceeds the $300 plus guaranteed by Beautylish. It is so funny. I only bought one Charlotte Tilbury quad, you know, any eyeshadows of her from last year, and it just so happens to be the one they included in my lucky bag. It's too funny. Like, I know there was going to be one or two items that I already have because I do buy a lot of makeup for the channel, you know, all of that. It's just so funny how that works out. I do think that in my opinion, if the big ticket item here, the serum at $169 was like a big eyeshadow palette, it would be more like Michi's lucky bag. You know what I mean? But I'm not sad about this because combining a serum, which right now I don't have any serums in my skincare routine, with some kind of roller or any tool that will help you spread the product and massage it into your skin, it is a fantastic combination. Like, you know, right away, these two, you can combine them and it should do wonders for your skin. So there you have it. This is my first unboxing video of Beautylish's Lucky Bag. I am undecided whether I'm going to attempt to get another one next year. I guess we'll see what happens like 11 months from now. Thank you guys for watching. See you very soon in the next one. Bye.